Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your math teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise number 5.2. But student, in my previous video I have discussed to you some important points, facts. In that points, one important point has left. So student, that important point I will discuss today in this video. So that point is transversal of parallel line. Transversal of parallel line. Suppose that student, this is a parallel line and this is transversal line. You know about the transversal line, I have discussed to you in my previous video. This is transversal line and this is line. Suppose that the name of this line is L and M and the name of this transversal line is P and intersecting point Q and R. Q and R. It's okay student? R and Q. So, student, transversal of parallel line. This is the transversal of parallel line. I have told you, suppose that line L and M are parallels and you know about the parallel very well. But student, when a transversal line intersects two parallel lines at the distinct point, then how many angles are formed? 8 angles. And you know the name of that angle. You know the name of that angles. Exterior angle, interior angle, corresponding angles, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle, co-interior angle, या आप ऐसे कह सकते हैं angle on the same side of the transversal line. So these are the name of the angles. So student, today I will discuss what is the relation in these angles. इन एंगलों में रिलेशन क्या होता है? When a transversal line intersect two parallel line at the distinct point. अगर अलग अलग पॉइंट पर ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन पैरेलल लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करे तो जो एंगल बनते हैं उनमें रिलेशन क्या होता है? इफ वी राइट द नेम ऑफ द एंगल स्टूडेंट, सो यू कैन से दैट, सपोज दैट द नेम ऑफ दिस एंगल इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 एंगल you know are created. So student, how many relations? There are only 3 relations in these angles. 3 properties which we require to study. Only 3 property हमें पढ़नी है, जाननी है. In which condition? When a transversal line intersect two parallel line. और अगर मैं अपोजिट की बात करूं तो इसी 3 का अपोजिट कर देंगे तो 6 हो जाएंगे. मीन्स यू कैन से दैट 6 प्रॉपर्टी वी रिक्वायर टू स्टडी. सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज इफ two lines are intersected by the transversal line at the distinct point, then corresponding angles are equal. Pair of corresponding angles are equal. Learn in your mind student. It's sure, it's fact, it's property. You have to learn it. When two parallel line intersect by the transversal line at the distinct point, then pair of corresponding angles are equal. And you know, I have told you L parallel M. मैंने आपको बताया है L M के पैरेलल है. सपोज दैट So corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles will be equal. Here is corresponding angles pair. You know very well. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Corresponding angle. One is exterior, other is interior, and both are made on the same side of the transversal line at the distinct point. दोनों एंगल दो डिफरेंट पॉइंट पर बने हों, एक एक्सटीरियर हो एक इंटीरियर हो, ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के एक ही साइड के एंगल हो, दैट इज करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. यू नो, सो स्टूडेंट यू कैन से दैट एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 6, फर्स्ट पेयर. एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 7, वन इंटीरियर अदर एक्सटीरियर. एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 7. नेक्स्ट आप कह सकते हैं एंगल 1 is equal to angle 8. नेक्स्ट आप कह सकते हैं एंगल 4 is equal to angle, सॉरी स्टूडेंट, एंगल 1 is equal to angle 5, one exterior other interior, angle 5. एंगल 4 is equal to angle 8. These are corresponding angles pair of corresponding angles. So student, learn in your mind, if two line which is parallel to each other, if intersected by the transversal line at the two distinct point, then corresponding angles are equal or same. Second property student, if two line are parallel which is intersected by the transversal line at the two distinct point, then alternate interior angles are equal also. Pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Pair of alternate interior angle, interior angle 3 5, sorry. The alternate interior angle of 3 is 5, 4 is 6. So you can say angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Next, angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angle, but condition you have to learn, both lines should be parallel and both line intersected by the transversal line at the two distinct point, then you can apply this property. तभी आप इन प्रॉपर्टी को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंगल 3 is equal to angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 6 are alternate interior angle are equal. And third property is student, if two lines are parallel which is intersected by the transversal line at the two distinct point, then the angle, the interior angle on the same side of the transversal line is equal to 180 degree or supplementary, you can say. Means angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. ये 3 प्रॉपर्टी हैं स्टूडेंट जो आपको जानना है. corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and interior angle on the same side of the transversal line are supplementary. मतलब इंटीरियर एंगल ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के एक ही साइड के दोनों इंटीरियर एंगल का सम कितना होगा? 180 डिग्री होगा. इट्स प्रॉपर्टी. बट इफ यू विल से इन अपोजिट वे, इफ इन एनी क्वेश्चन angle 3 is equal to angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 6 is given, then you can say surely that both lines are parallel. अगर सिर्फ इतना दिया हुआ है तो आप कह सकते हैं कि ये दोनों लाइन कैसी होंगी? पैरेलल होंगी. Only corresponding angles pair are equal is given in the question. Again you can say that both lines are parallel. If the interior angle on the same side are supplementary, then you can say that both our lines are parallel. तो लाइन के भी कंडीशन में आप देखते रहेंगे और एंगल के भी कंडीशन में आप देखते रहेंगे. सॉरी स्टूडेंट, ये 3 points, important points I had left in my previous video, student, which I have discussed today. So I hope, student, your concept is clear. You have understood very well. So come to your exercise. Exercise number 5.2. I am taking the first question, student. I am going to erase it. If you have book, then you can study. You can read the question and try to understand the meaning of the question. First question is very easy, student. First question is saying, state the property, state the property that is used in each of the following statements. First statement is, student, given if A parallel B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Second property is given, student, if angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then A parallel B. Third property is given, student. Third statement is given, if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, then A parallel B. And figure is drawn in your book like this, student. There are two transversal line here. One is given for only your confusion, created your confusion. ये लाइन ट्रांसवर्सल जो है सिर्फ आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया हुआ है फिगर में. देयर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. एंगल 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very easy, student, question. This is very easy question. Student, question is saying, state the property that is used in each of the following statement. Statement is given. Only you required to write the name of the property. State the property. सिर्फ property आपको बताना है. आप जब the figure, see the figure and write the property. If A parallel B, this is, suppose that line A and line B is given in your book. Yes. A parallel B, then angle A is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5, which types angle? Corresponding angles. If A and B are parallel and this line is transversal line, then angle 1 and angle 5 are pair of corresponding angles. So you can say, you can write answer in one line. If A parallel B, then angle A, angle 1 is equal to angle 5 by corresponding . करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, दैट्स ऑल स्टूडेंट। अगर ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल हैं एंड दिस इज अ ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन, सो एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 5 विच टाइप एंगल, पेयर ऑफ corresponding angles and corresponding angles will be equal is given in statement. How? By the corresponding angle property. Second student, if angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then A parallel B. Why? क्यों? Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Which type angle? Alternate interior angle. And I have told you A parallel B, then alternate interior angles are equal. So you can write the name of property by alternate interior angle property. That's all you can write. And third student, if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, then A parallel B. Why? क्यों? A parallel B क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि sum of the interior angle on the same side of the transversal line, interior by the interior angle on the same side of transversal line is supplementary. Supplementary property. तो आप देखिए इस तरीके से आप इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देंगे। ओनली यू रिक्वायर टू स्टेट द प्रॉपर्टी। सिर्फ आपको प्रॉपर्टी का नेम बताना है, किस प्रॉपर्टी के थ्रू ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है। सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी वेल. So come to the next question, that is the question number 2. Question number 2 is also very easy, student. You can read the question if you have book, student. In the adjoining figure, identify. In the adjoining figure, identify. Question 2. Very easy, student. Only you require to write the pair of corresponding angle, pair of alternate interior angle, pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal line, vertically opposite angle. So student, I am not writing the question here. Only I will discuss this question, about this question here. ये दो लाइन है आपकी which are parallel and this is the transversal line. See, the name of this line is A and B, and about these two lines there is no any information that these two lines are parallel or not. Is not given the any information about these lines, but this is a transversal line and these are two lines A and B. How many angles are created? 8 student, you know, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. ये 8 एंगल आपके क्रिएट हुए। Now you require to write the name of the angle, corresponding angles pair. Very easy student, you can write by observing the figure. Corresponding angles pair, angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and angle 8 a corresponding angles pair है. Angle 1 angle 5, angle 1 angle 5 are corresponding angles pair. Angle 3 angle sorry student, angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles pair. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles pair. अब देखिए मैंने corresponding angles के पेयर राइट कर दिया. Very easy, you can write easily. Second, pair of alternate interior angle. Very easy student. This is the part 1, this is part 2. Alternate interior angle, angle 3 angle 5, angle 3 and angle 5. Next, angle 3 angle 5 alternate interior angles pair. Angle 2 angle 8, angle 2 angle 8 alternate interior angle pair. Next is pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal line. ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के एक ही साइड के इंटीरियर एंगल कौन से हैं स्टूडेंट? एंगल 3 एंगल 8, एंगल 3 एंगल 8 एंड एंगल 2 एंगल 5. आप देखिए ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के एक ही साइड के इंटीरियर एंगल है विच इज मेड एट द डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट, फॉर द वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. Vertically opposite angle, very easy student, you know in my previous video I have told you vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 angle 3 angle 4 angle 2 angle 5 angle 7 angle 8 and angle 6. So you can say angle 1 and angle 3 vertically opposite angle, angle 4 angle 2 vertically opposite angle student, एंगल 5 और एंगल 7 वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल, एंगल 8 एंगल 6 वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट, ओनली यू रिक्वायर टू राइट द पेयर ऑफ द एंगल्स which I have discussed in my previous video very well. So student, I hope you can do this question very well. So student, from question number 3rd I will start in my next video. So thank you student, thank you very much.